Looking for the best docking stations with DisplayPort for your laptop in 2024? Look no further! In this video, we present the top 5 docking stations that will enhance your productivity and expand your connectivity options. Whether you're a professional needing multiple monitors or a gamer looking for high-resolution displays, our carefully curated list has something for everyone. Number 5. Selore USB-C Docking Station, a versatile 14-in-1 hub designed to expand your laptop's connectivity effortlessly. With dual HDMI, VGA, and USB-C ports, this docking station supports both Windows and Mac laptops, enabling mirror mode on all systems and extended display mode on Windows. For Mac users with M1 or M2 chips, it supports triple identical screens. The station includes 2 4K HDMI ports, VGA, 3 USB 3.1 ports, 4 USB-A ports, SD micro SD card readers, and a 3.5mm audio jack. It also features 100-watt PD fast charging and a 1000 mEh Ethernet port. The USB 3.1 ports deliver up to 10 Gbps data transfer speeds, ensuring fast and reliable connections. Compatible with Thunderbolt 3 or USB-C devices, including Macbook models, Lenovo Yoga, Microsoft Surface, and Dell XPS. This docking station is perfect for boosting your productivity with a single plug-and-play solution. Number 4. MOKiN Docking Station. Experience exceptional connectivity and performance with the MOKiN 13-in-1 laptop docking station. Designed to cater to all your connectivity needs, this docking station features 2 HDMI ports, 1 DisplayPort, 2 USB-C 3.1 ports, 2 USB-A 3.0 ports, 1 USB-A 2.0 port, an Ethernet port, micro SD card slots, a 3.5mm audio jack, and a 150-watt DC power charging port. Compatible with Thunderbolt 4, Thunderbolt 3, USB 4, and full-function USB-C ports, it ensures seamless integration with your devices. Enhance your visual experience with support for single 4K 144 Hz output for Windows and single 4K 120 Hz output for macOS, providing crisp and fluid visuals. Power up your laptop with a 100-watt charging capability and keep your other devices charged with the additional 30W USB-C port. With lightning-fast data transfer speeds up to 10 Gbps and a 1 Gbps Ethernet port, this docking station is perfect for both gaming and professional use. Number 3. The WAVLINK Laptop Docking Station, a versatile solution for USB Type-C, Type-A, and Thunderbolt 3 laptops and desktops, ideal for home offices, entertainment, and online education. It supports dual 4K HDMI monitors or a 5K single display at 60 Hz, featuring 15 ports, including 6 USB 3.0 ports, dual HDMI and DisplayPort outputs, gigabit Ethernet, and audio mic jacks. It enhances your laptop's capabilities. Note: it doesn't charge laptops. Compatible with macOS, M1, M2, M3, and Windows, this dock is not suitable for gaming or heavy graphics use. WAVLINK ensures high-quality products and service. Number 2. The CalDigit TS4 Thunderbolt dock offers unmatched connectivity with 18 ports, including 8 USB 10G GBOS ports, DisplayPort 1.4, SD microSD UHS 2 card readers, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 3 audio ports, and a 2.5 GBE Ethernet. It provides powerful 9to8W charging for laptops while connecting up to 18 devices simultaneously. For displays, Windows users can connect a single 8K or dual 4K monitors, while macOS users can enjoy up to dual 6K 60 Hz displays, M1 Pro Max. The 2.5 GBE port ensures faster network connections. Compatible with Thunderbolt 4 3, USB 4, and USB-C devices, including the latest Apple M2 and M1 series, Windows PCs, and USB-C iPhones. Number 1. The Baseus Docking Station, a versatile solution for expanding your laptop's connectivity. It features 2 HDMI ports, 2 DisplayPorts, USB-C and USB-A ports with 10 Gbps data transfer, a 100-watt USB-C PD input port, Gigabit Ethernet, and a 3.5mm AUX jack. This all-in-one docking station is designed to boost work efficiency. For Windows users, it supports triple display in stunning 4K resolution, enhancing multitasking capabilities. macOS users can extend to one display. The innovative upright design with a magnetic base saves desk space and includes a built-in LED screen to display connection status. The USB-C PD port offers fast charging, delivering up to 85 watts to your laptop, ensuring you're always powered up. If you enjoy this video, make sure to show your support by quickly liking and subscribing. Also dive into the description below for links to explore these products further. Thanks for watching.